Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Scuba Diving, Learning the Basics with Emma. Today's theory lesson will be narcosis and how it affects scuba divers. What is nitrogen narcosis? Well, it is a condition which is also called the Martini effect that affects deep sea divers, and basically it is a euphoric and anesthetic effect which is caused by the nitrogen in your tank. Its effects are similar to those of alcohol intoxication. Nitrogen narcosis tends to affect divers once they reach about 100 feet or 30 meters, and the symptoms start to become more serious at a depth of between 200 and 300 feet. It is a condition which you shouldn't be scared about since it is a temporary condition, which is not dangerous itself, but sometimes its effects may be dangerous. So how is it caused? Well, it is not exactly known how it is caused, but it is said to be related with the increase of pressure in your blood. Basically, the oxygen tanks that are used by scuba divers contain a mix of oxygen, nitrogen, and other gases. Once divers swim deeper than about 30 meters, the nitrogen has a toxic effect that increases when the depth increases. So what are the effects? Well, the symptoms of narcosis are pretty similar to those of alcohol, as I've mentioned before. Some of them might be poor judgment, disorientation, inability to concentrate, slow reaction time, and in the worst cases, even hallucinations. The big problem with narcosis is that the diver might feel anxious or uncomfortable, and sometimes they might act very panicked and make poor decisions, such as take the regulator out of their mouth or take their buddy's regulator out of their mouth, and that's why it might be dangerous. So how do you fix this problem underwater? Well, you can easily eliminate the narcosis by ascending to a lower depth. Therefore, it is very important to have a diving buddy so that you can control each other and keep an eye for any of the symptoms. And if the symptoms don't disappear, then end the dive. Some people consider changing the mixture of gases in their oxygen tanks to leave out nitrogen, but this may cause decompression sickness. In general, you don't have to worry about nitrogen narcosis, but just be aware of its effects so that you can control the situation when it comes to it. Well, that is all for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And remember to just keep diving.